What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy SelfMadeZay, and I'm back with another reaction. We got the 2026 Underground Sound Cypher. Now, we found some underground shit. This was posted a day ago. If you're new to the channel, man, hit that sub button. If you got any requests, comment them down below. Any song, artist, any type of reaction, just comment them down below. I'll react to them. Now, this off of by what these niggas are wearing. This looked like a very interesting, this gonna be an interesting video, I feel like. Like Buddy's shoes. I don't even know what those are. Now, if those are some heat and niggas wanna flame me for that shit, I guess, but that shit looks ridiculous. Now this nigga like an early 2000s minion, my nigga. This shit look crazy. This nigga's skinny as hell. Nigga got no leg meat. That shit just all bone. Then you got the 2017 ass fit. Now let me not just start flaming these niggas. Hold on, we about to
I'm 42, and this is the 2026 Underground Sound Cypher.
I don't know none of these niggas, by the way.
Swag, 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 cow swag, swaggin', cow swag, trappin', cow swag, boomin', cow swag, swixin', cow swag, coming to your trap with Mac 11, cow swag for your bitch, she said my dick like heaven. I'm the type of nigga walk into your trap with no socks. You the type of nigga to get groomed, don't roll flat. My shooter schizophrenic.
Nigga, what? Nigga, what? I will walk into your trap with no socks on. Like, nigga, who says that? No socks.
You the type of nigga to get groomed, don't roll flat.
Yes. I know that nigga did not just hit this. Like, he just said something crazy, though. Like, look at this nigga right here. This nigga's like, oh my God, he just said that? Like, this nigga, yeah, he said some wild shit just now. Hell yeah. I'll walk into your trap with no socks on? That's ridiculous. And then the next guy gonna be like, you the type of nigga that gonna get groomed on Roblox. What the fuck is this nigga talking about? Just off of his fit, I should have knew he was about to say something ridiculous. I ain't gonna lie. My shooter's schizophrenic and he think that he in Black Ops. What is that? What does schizophrenic has to mean with Black Ops?
Don't roll, my shooter schizophrenic, that boy think that he in Black Ops. I be seeing numbers, bitch, I feel like I'm in Black Ops. Bitch, I'm swagged out, so I went to the grocery store. I ain't see the whore, so a nigga left the grocery store. She ain't sucking dick, then a nigga don't wanna talk no more. I'm so geeked up, you can see it.
Bro. Let me go back. This shit right here, man.
So I went to the grocery store.
Hold on. Go back more, cause I gotta really listen, cause I heard some bullshit and stopped listening for a minute.
My shooter schizophrenic, that boy think that he in Black Ops. I be seeing numbers, bitch, I feel like I'm in Black Ops. Bitch, I'm swagged out, so I went to the grocery store.
Bitch, I'm swagged out, so I went to the grocery store.
I ain't see the whore, so a nigga left the grocery store.
I ain't see a whore, so I left the grocery store. This grown ass nigga, bro. What?
Swagged out, so I went to the grocery store. I ain't see the whore, so a nigga left the grocery store. She ain't sucking dick, then a nigga don't wanna talk no more.
Right.
I'm so swagged up, you can see it coming out my pores. Cow swag flex on Rolex like he been 10. Why these niggas flexing shit that a nigga been in? Out flexing me, nigga, I don't think there's no way. I'm so high, I went to Chick-fil-A on a Sunday. Bitch talk crazy, block a hoe like the Kimbe. This swag so global, I got white hoes in Norway.
Okay. He started spazzing a little bit. The first, what? Damn near minute was ridiculous, but then he started flowing. He started saying some actual shit like, nigga, I got so high, I went to Chick-fil-A on a Sunday. Like, okay, that could be a bar, cause nigga, I've definitely done that.
I'm so high, I went to Chick-fil-A
on a Sunday.
Bitch talk crazy, block a hoe like the Kimbe.
Right.
Swag so global, I got white hoes
in Norway. Yeah, that last 10 seconds was probably the best shit he said, for sure. What's the name? Nigga, you're wearing leather pants with a... Nigga, how many... Are these two pockets on top of each other? Are these Adidas? I'm not even trying to troll. I don't know what them bitches are. I really don't. I don't know. And this nigga look like he got the sleep mask on. Hold on. We got what? Captain Swag, whatever his name was.
She call me back. Louis Vuitton with a Glock to match. Throw your bag. I pop tag. They coming first, then you coming last. She better song, then she running back. They going denim all over my ass. Niggas be hype, really they be ass. Stay outside, I don't even rap. Know your hollow, get to the bag. Then I go sit back and relax. Bitch, damn, sit back, smoke. Ass nigga out like tic-tac-toe. A lot of these niggas be still in the flow. You tryna slime them, gotta let me know.
No. He's not saying no bad shit. I just feel like this is a horrible beat selection for what the... For the flow he has, like, yeah, this is a bad beat selection. I ain't gonna lie.
Let me know. I hit the ground and money on the floor. Can't come around you acting like a hoe. Too many chops, any money more. Virginia Beach.
Nigga, this nigga got space goggles on, nigga. What the fuck? Nigga, I'm confused on what these nigga. Bulky, colorful. Adidas? That's how you spell Adidas? Yeah. Loki had a slow moment just now. High tops. I'm not even trying to troll, nigga. I don't... Like, it looked like Adidas. Like, dead ass. Like it got the strap... Like, it got, like, the little marks right here. The cheetah print, the leopard print shit right here is ridiculous. And then it said dust. Damn. Yeah, this beat is fucking horrible. I don't think anything he said was bad. The beat was just horrible. Now, I ain't gonna lie. Just him just walking up, smiling and cheesing. I know this shit about to be ass, bro. But I could be wrong.
Stop letting them gas you up. Just know that we slide, nigga, we turn it up. Got all types of hoes, don't know who to choose. Shit, I just need me a nut. Got a young nigga mad, she still with the game. Boy, she said you a plug. If you saying it's up, it's stuck. Now these niggas mad at us. I stay out the way, I'm counting my hundreds, confused, I'm running it up. Just pop me a 10, I'm about to get tight. Finna go up in the function. Talking like hoes, a young nigga home. Shit, it really ain't nothing. Love my hoe so much, I can't even choose who I want. Can't stay with no bitch who stay with an attitude, get that gone. I'm picking and choosing, I do what I want. Girl, I know I'm wrong. I'm picking that money before I choose you, cause we ain't lasting long. Bad bitch give me head, little bitch gon' do what I said. All this shit I got cost me a leg. What's your hoe and I'm rocking the bed. Play with me, I'ma fill you a leg. No cap, I'ma aim for the head. All these bitches, they know I'm the man. All these bitches, they know I'm the man.
No. I ain't expect that for real. I ain't expect him to come out with the K Camp flow and shit. That felt like a K Camp was rapping just now. I ain't even gonna lie to you. But he probably got the best one so far. Like, he got the best one so far, but this nigga probably got the best 10 seconds of the video so far. I ain't gonna lie. We got Captain Swag, Hollow. We got Wrangling. What's his nigga name? This, bro, what the fuck is that? You not walking around with that shit? Oh, bro, are you dead ass? See, bro, this like giving me like SoundCloud rapper vibes. Like this giving me like 2015, 2016 when niggas was in fucking high school trying to be a rapper and shit. Like, this is what the fuck this shit is giving me right now. This nigga does not have a fucking LaBoo-Boo on his belt buckle. There's no fucking way. This nigga got a stuffed animal wrapped around his belt buckle on his pants. Rainin Glolol? Bro, what this nigga name is? Rainin Glolel? Bro, this nigga raining LOL. Now I probably just had a slow moment because I was really trying to read it as a full word. But like just off of the La Boo Boo hanging out from his motherfucking shit, I should expect LOL in his fucking name. This shit is ridiculous. Hold on. What this nigga gonna say, bro? Nigga got space boots on. Shoulda fucking knew it. I shoulda fucking knew it. I shoulda fucking knew he was about to hop on this bitch like that. Nigga, fit is ridiculous. This was the skinny nigga? Yeah, bro, that shit look crazy, bro. The fit in the first 10 seconds of his shit just matched for sure. Your fit matched with your swag, your music. That shit don't even want me to play that shit. That shit was ass, nigga. Bitch, I paint my nails like nigga. No. I'm not even gonna get into that right now. This nigga got La Boo Boos on his back, my nigga. This nigga does not have green and purple nails on, bro. Nigga, what the fuck? This nigga got a book bag with La Boo Boos on it, bro. I know they not really La Boo Boos, but like just having the stuff and like, bro, like that shit, like, bro, yeah. See, nigga, I don't fucking rap, and I know I could do 100 times fucking better than that bullshit.
Yeah. Both my bitch the same. Both my cars the same. Right stop, put on chain. I don't even know her name. Went from none to fame. Rock out on my pain. Same with all my hoes. I stayed in my lane. Meantime, I read my jeans. Hellcat got no key. I'm losing my speech. Geek, I'm having weed. I go through the weeds. I'm still pulling weeds. Run me like a gene. Yeah, she treat me like Jesus. I'm going on.
Now, for sure, he got the best beat for sure so far. I don't know. I don't remember Captain Swag's beat, bro. No, I don't know. That nigga shit was ass too. But this is probably the best one so far. I ain't even like. This is probably the best one so far. But I wouldn't put this bitch on. But this shit not horrible. This shit not like the other nigga shit for sure. That shit.
Geek, I'm having weed. I go through the weeds. I'm still pulling weeds. Run me like a gene. Yeah, she treat me like Jesus.
I fuck with the beat though.
Celine the double G. I make all my peace with both my bitches. Take it visas down. Rockin' star, I'm bouncing inside my seat. It's hot, go keep it up. Both my bitch the same. Both my cars the same. Right stop, put on chain. I don't even know her name. Went from none to fame. Rock out on my pain. Same with all my hoes. I stayed in my lane. Meantime, I read my jeans. Hellcat got no key. I'm losing my speech. Geek, I'm having weed.
Like he low key slided. It wouldn't want to let me like want to listen to that bitch again. That shit was cool though. That shit probably the best one for sure. I think it is. Like, it ain't like, yeah. I know him and K Camp so far are laid. I don't even know what, buddy. What was this nigga name? Eal Yuri? E.A. Lil Ree? I need to start reading these bitches as a full name. That shit gonna make me look slow. But E.A. Lil Ree, I guess.
My packet 100% blue in. Nigga, baby, mama just no color. I with another nigga broad, I put it on D&D. Mama said, before you walk, you crawl. I walk the top, start running the cat. Catch you out and spin out the back of the bill, I'ma hang off double. Niggas ain't live gay. Phone my brother, I step on the floor, don't fuck with niggas.
At least his music ass. Whoa. His music ass, but Buddy fit better than the Lil Boo Boo nigga. Well, that's ass too.
I have a feel out all our handies. Too far, Johnny, nigga, shit in that sandals. I'm up to motherfucker, tree like a pendulum. I'm not a nigga, gon' play like a random. Lots of him bumming, they fire at 10. If that shit not a Connie, they answer. She wanna touch it, I why we not handsome. I send me nigga like Ty DBS. You don't do shit for your life, I get hammered. Turn on pull less in your chest. Yeah, I'm pulling my pocket, no ace out of dance. Should've went motherfucker.
Nah. Last video, I told y'all niggas to like comment down some underground shit, but don't send me no shit like this. If you send me shit like this, you'll probably get a good reaction. But I ain't trying to listen to some hot ass, cause this shit ass, nigga. We had like 4 niggas straight, just straight.
I'm a little truth putting lines of tricks. They got time for that deal. They got time for that deal. Jet ran like a bill. Then nigga net like the deal. Then nigga tell that still taking years in the seal. Nigga myself in here. Then nigga pay for that hand job, it's no will. I'm not set by mama. I'm not set by mama like. I'm not set by mama. Trying about some shit like Kevin and Kill. In that patch of the mill. Can't play these niggas, I saw him. Had these niggas shot down. But the church got a lot for that boss. None of them niggas right around me. And it's 13 on 26. Look, I'm these are funny.
See, now, I'm not gonna tell niggas like sometimes the dreams you want. Yeah, like sometimes the things you want to do, it ain't gonna work out. Like some of these niggas just need to just leave this shit alone. But I hope niggas grow at the same time, like get better with their craft. But you know, not all niggas can rap or can make music. What in the fucking Lord Farquaad is about to happen? Bro, what is this jacket? Why the fuck you got shoulder pads on, nigga? This nigga got grills or motherfucking braces? That look like aluminum foil, nigga. Hold on. Oh, fuck. Fuck it. Let's just let the nigga fucking rap. Too slimy, guys. Like, bro, like niggas really pulled up with this shit, bro. Bro, like this shit just sound like a fucking radio with no service, but you hear the nigga, but you don't. Like, bro, what the fuck is going on in this motherfucking Cypher right here?
this shit weak. Look at me, Mario, you made it geek. Caught this pig who high to me, who fly to me, nobody beat. Heard I got racks put on my head, get a hoe, he love, follow me. Boy, you can keep that bitch on right the way she swallow me. Mask up like it's Halloween, grab F and then my shooter purse. She too tight for G19, put a lapel inside her purse. Hang out a none, that little boy scared to shoot. I tell him go to church, try what I want, fuck what I like, bitch, I got rich off words. Yeah, I'm in the made that pull out 10, they about to give me Kirk. Yeah, poppin' that RP, bitch, I'm fried, my eyes wild like dirt, like yeah. I got a bitch, she from the island, just like Ruby work. Shooter got Ramadan, send him on mission, tell him rock and turn. I said, Trish not burden, Beverly bitch, she Persian. If I'm not fucking your hoe, I'm probably in the studio.
Like, there's no way these niggas is on the side getting lit to each other's shit, knowing all y'all niggas shit is ass. Like, y'all niggas really jumping up and down.
Work. If I'm not pulling the phone, I'm popping on Xbox, I go crazy. I'm still young, I free my bro. I'm still young, now fuck the jerk.
Saw the devil in Minneapolis, that bitch, she steady grinning. I just rolled a joint and twisted like my fucking dreads are thinning. I'm a mogul, I invest in women, twisted Minneapolis, that bitch, she steady grinning. I just rolled a joint and twisted like my fucking dreads are thinning. I'm a mogul, I invest in women, proxy next to Finnet. Feel like I'm the best up in my fucking class, yeah, I admit it. I'm so hungry, stomach spinning, my music bumping, drums are hitting, like the ocean tides are shifting. No, it's my time, I've been sprinting. No, I'm not like other niggas, and my bitch not other women. Niggas asking for some substance and they put like nothing in it.
Bitch on my dick, on my mama, I might slap a bitch. Bitch on the knees. Calm capping, I could teach you how to jug, but jugging niggas is a passion. 2020 vision, as a kid I wanted glasses. Niggas is not either.
2020 vision, as a kid I wanted glasses. See, I ain't gonna lie, the first part was cool though. Like, bro was giving me like draft day type of vibes, like the Concrete Boys. He was giving me that at first. Now, was the nigga as lyrical as him? Fuck no. But it sounded like, you get what I'm saying? But he just fucked that shit all up with this shit.
Might be fasting. I don't want the beat without the four step and the clapping. Tricks off the kids like the motherfucking rabbit. If I see some money, gotta grab it. Get a speaker knocking, told them niggas turn the speakers up. Getting chicken like some Popeyes, I'ma piece you up. Bitch, I gotta deal.
Getting chicken like Popeyes, I'ma piece you up. All right, buddy. All right, buddy. All right, buddy. I think my 7-year-old brother could make that rap too. God damn it.
If I see some money, gotta grab it. Get a speaker knocking, told them niggas turn the speakers up. Getting chicken like some Popeyes, I'ma piece you up. Bitch, I gotta deal with the Jews, yeah, they lease me up. Smoke more weed than that nigga with Khalifa. I'm a flexer up in bankrolls on the teachers. Back in high school, I had bankroll in the bleachers. Now I'm swerving into Caesars. I just put a deuce in the...
Yeah, now this nigga talking about high school in his rap. All right, buddy.
In the bleachers. Now I'm swerving into Caesars. I just put a deuce in the Sprite.
What the fuck? Why does this shit sound like this? So y'all telling me y'all cut this nigga's mic, but let the fucking beat go crazy and the beat ass? Bro, what the fuck is this?
Nah, nigga. Keep that bitch underground, my nigga. Keep all them niggas. Keep all them niggas over there. Cause the only one that actually slid low key was the bigger white boy, the nigga with the jersey on. Yeah. K Camp was cool, I guess. That lay nigga. That Talon, where you at? He probably had the best one. Laid, probably give him second. Then I'll probably give Captain Swag the first nigga. The last 8 seconds of his shit was top 3. Was at third place for sure. That last 8 seconds was better than the rest of the nigga shit. That shit is ridiculous, but hey, leave a like, comment, subscribe, man. Peace.